Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the Google Pixel 9. So in order to do that, go to your settings, scroll down. Now scroll to the very bottom until you find your System tab right here. So scroll down to your reset options. Here they are. Press here and simply press erase all data. Now confirm your choice by tapping erase all data. So the second way to perform a factory reset is through your fast boost mode. So for example, your phone is frozen or you can't access it. So find your power button right here and your volume up button right here. Hold them for 10 seconds simultaneously. Let's do this. And our phone is rebooted. Okay, so when our phone is off, let's enter a fast boost mode. So to do that, hold your power button and your volume down button simultaneously. Give it a few seconds to load up. Okay, now we're in our fast boost mode. So in our fast boost mode, let's enter our recovery mode. Operate through your options right here by using volume up and volume down button. So here's our recovery mode. Let's confirm our choice by pressing a power button. All right, so now we will enter our recovery mode. So as our Android logo appeared, simply press the hold button and then press the volume up button once again to access the recovery mode. So let's do this. Let's hold it and press our volume up button. Now we are in recovery mode. In recovery mode, operate by using volume up and down button once again. All right. So here we are to choose wipe data or factory reset. Okay, we found this option. Now let's confirm the choice by pressing power button once again. Choose factory data reset. And that's it. Now our phone is resetted. So press reboot system now. Confirm this choice. Press power button. And now our phone will load up as usual. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.